Yo, what's up mga paps? Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This is John Montana 24. At ang vlog na ito ay pupunta kami sa... Saan tayo pupunta mga paps? Splash! Splash! Okay mga paps. We have a lot of visitors today. So, welcome. What team are you mga paps? Team ano kayo? Ano apelyido nyo? Ano apelyido nyo?
Yan, sabi ni Martina, Team Montana.
Okay, may bisita tayo mga paps ito.
We have
Oy, from Pangasinan, all the way from Pangasinan. Welcome! What's your name? Henry, ano?
Baraya!
Ano?
Baraya.
Baraya mga paps. So, family, right? And then we have another one guest from all the way from Ross City, Philippines. Capish!
Team Aswang.
Asa na? Luwi lang ito. Naharakaw.
Team Aswang.
Si Ate Shannon with Martina. And we have one more guest from all the way from Egypt. Oh, hey.
Show your face.
What's your name, my friend?
Ahmed.
Well, how old are you, my friend?
How old are you?
Okay, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, that's all, my friend. Okay, mga paps, pupunta tayo sa Splash Island mga paps. So, dito lang yan sa may Southwoods, malapit lang. So, samahan nyo kami. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Mga paps, so on the way na tayo papunta sa Splash Island mga paps.
Hindi ako marunong lumangoy sa malalim eh.
So time check tayo, last gist na mga paps. Tapos tamang-tama lang yung panahon natin ngayon kasi makulimlim, hindi mainit. Kaya hindi mangingitim yung mga bata. Si Ate Martina. Siyempre hindi mawawala si Commander. Tatanggal pa ng
Pang Morning Glory.
Morning Glory. Saan tayo pupunta na nga?
Sa Island.
Saan?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt.
So dito mga paps ay maraming slide. Kaya lahat susubukan natin mag-slide. Gian, are you afraid of heights ba Gian? Si Ahmed, tanongin mo nga.
Kuya Henry.
So mag-slide tayo mga paps na mga matataas na mga
Si
slides.
Ahmed afraid kay Gian pag nadaganan siya doon sa
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
Kaya mga paps, nandito na tayo, nakarating rin sa wakas. Welcome to Splash Island. Yan, dito tayo mga paps ha.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me
So,
be
dito na tayo, mga
me,
paps.
and I'll stay out of
Splash
your way. I
Island.
can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I
Welcome
never really
to
asked to
Splash
be brought
Island.
into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the
Alex.
lows, no you'll never be
You know what's this? Yeah. You're not happy, or are you happy? Or really? I'm here. That's good. I met my friend from Egypt. Okay. Your friends? Anywhere?
Hi from Dubai.
From Dubai. What's your friend left in Dubai?
Si Ashley
Ah.
and Hannah and Reina.
Okay, tell them to watch my vlog, ah.
Sige.
Ah? Okay. Come here. So ayan mga paps, nakarating tayo dito sa Splash Island. Dito lang yan sa Southwoods. Yan. Welcome to Splash Island. So malapit lang yung mga paps sa expressway. Southbound. Tapos walang problema sa parkingan dito kasi ang laki ng, ang lawak ng ano yan, parkingan. No? Yan. Yan, pasok tayo sa loob.
If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
Wow! Open na yung slide. So ito yung tinatawag nilang river pool yata ito mga paps kasi paikot-ikot ganyan dito. Yan. Nandito na tayo. Ito yung pambata nila mga paps yan. Nandito na sila Martina, si Luella. Ayan. May bago silang yaya. Si Janine. Yan. Ang ganda mga paps.
I need help, I'm going through hell. I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel bored or worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Next time, mag-zipline. Mga nakakaba rin ah.
Taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the news off. You cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough as
Ay, si Step. Sige. Ulo kay Alex. Balik ka ulo na.
No, 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 no.
Okay, go, 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 go. Sige yan. Doon dapat umpisan ako sa kabila. Takbo kayo, sakit lang, oh. Sige, takbo. Oh, galing ah. Magaan kasi, magaan eh. Magaan.
Bago!
Tinatakbo, Martina, dali. Ay, isa-isa. muna tayo mga paps. Dito may kainan dito. Ayan. Dito makalan daming tao. Kaway. Next year pang upload ito. Next year ha. Yan yung mga ulam nila dito. So ikot-ikot muna tayo, naghanap tayo ng masarap na ulam. Yan, kasama si Bayaw, si Paps Bayaw, tsaka si Paps Asel.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel.
So dito mga paps, mag-slide kami lima. Tama ako mga paps. So ito yung pwede lima mag-slide sabay-sabay. Ayun yung dadaanan niya mga paps. Yan. Yan hanggang dun sa baba mga paps. Ah! Bayo!
Di pa kami nagsasas!
Nakuha ka mo ang kasi hindi na may oras na ulit. Kaya ba? Kaya ba?
Kaya mo? Para na
ang hirap pag nasa taas ka eh.
Pwede na mag-react naman!
Alright! Kaya mga paps! Relax! Yes, ang saya mga paps! Hello! Alright, bike naman tayo.